private. It's public. All right, good morning, traders. We are set and ready to go here. Hope you guys are feeling all right. Let me see if anybody's here. Good morning, Matt Ismail. How are you? Just trying to see, make sure we got both streams running correctly. And I think we're good. What's up, Patty? Good morning. Hope to see you soon. As you guys see, I'm still streaming from New Jersey. We're not back in the studio just yet. So don't mind me. If you guys audio is not great, just give me a thumbs up on the audio. If you guys are good, you guys can hear everything. If the stream is running properly, no lagging, I think we should be good. The stream health is excellent on this. Stream health is excellent. Yeah, I love the weather. All right, yeah, excellent here. So we are good right now. Let me get my widget up. Audio, we are good. All right, we're good to go. So we are on our 30-minute chart right now, looking at overnight highs right now, 25,759. Market has just been grinding to the upside. And we just got a little dump here a little while ago down to 25,580. We've got some targets to the downside. Previous day's low, 25,488. And below that, we've got some more liquidity here sitting at 25,420. So we could see a lot of these levels going to hit today. We do have news coming up at 10 o'clock today, so that'll probably get the markets going. Let's go ahead and check out the lower time frames here. 1 minute is showing up. A definite reversal coming in this morning. Pretty high delta coming into the lower time frames here. In the 1 minute, you got some good delta coming in here. And market has been just chugging along to the upside ever since. 10%. Oh, nice. Math Smoke. Good job, brother. You're nice and green today. All right, so let me just focus in here on the chat. Audio's good, says Sandy. Thank you, Sandy. Appreciate that. What's going on, Joey? How are you, my friend? All right, let's see if we find any opportunities in this market today. I think we might just sit tight here for a while. Market opens up in a few minutes. Let me just check on the stream one more time. Yeah, I think we are good. Awesome, awesome. We are good. What's up, Mo? Good morning, my friend. All right. We are approaching. I don't know what we're approaching right now. I don't think that green line should be there. Yeah, there's really nothing there right now. I don't know why that's coming up. I don't know why these phantom lines show up sometimes on my chart. Right now, I don't see us having any resistance until we get up to the VWAP, which is at 675. Maybe even a little bit higher at 694. This right here looks pretty strong. On the 5 minute, we got this this trap that was set this morning. Market right now looks like it wants to continue going higher. We've got numerous amount of power loans in here. Power loan, power loan, power loan, power loan, all the way. All the way. Give me 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. Yeah, Joey, that guy is that guy is definitely something's off with him, man. To be here nice and early just to do that and say that. Iman Star says, "Are we buying?" Well, the longs look better right now. The longs look better. I had a short on Bitcoin since last night. I think I might move my stop into entry right now. I think I have an entry at 91,000 and change. Let me see where my entry is. Yeah, we're up 34% right now, so I'll move my stop. I think I'm gonna move my stop to break even. Stop loss right now is set. 91,096. Okay. Confirm that. I'm going to take some off right now. Probably take 50% off. I'm gonna lock in some profits right now, and I'm gonna leave half of it on. All right, cool. So we're confirmed, guaranteed a profit here on Bitcoin this morning. I see Bitcoin dropping a lot more. Let's take a quick look at the 4-hour on Bitcoin. Right now, this 90,200 level where we just bounced from is the 382 on the fibs. Trust me, I'm not gonna whip out the fibs right now and show you. But if we break 90,200, she's gonna come and retest 86,000, 88,000, 86,000 down here. So that's what I'm hoping for. But if she bounces from here, then she's probably gonna make another move to the upside. So we're gonna keep our eyes on Bitcoin in a moment. But right now we'll switch back over to the NQ on the 1 minute, where she is trucking along right up into the VWAP. All right. Good morning, the analysis pro traders. That was a good movie. I missed that guy. JTC, whip it out. You don't want me to whip it out. Can't do that. This is a family show. The fib? Yeah, fibs are, you know what they say. Fibs are our girl's best friend. Let's see if we can see where she may want to go to next. Possible target here. Wow, she's recuperating a lot. I love how the NQ just does these crazy drops and then just V-shape recovers. Crazy drops, V-shape recovery, like every time. Every time. I don't know how far up she may want to go on this rebound. It's anyone's guess. We have previous day high up here. We got this level at 710. There was the orb high from yesterday. It's crazy. You just can't keep her down. Look at the size of the delta on that one right here. All right, market's open, guys. Market's open. Look alive. VWAP or Vespa setting default. I have it on the market open. Market's ripping. Looks like that move to the downside was a hoax. Good morning, Camilla. Hopefully you're doing all right. ATRs are now above 10. We got serious strength to the upside right now, guys. Serious strength right now. Look at all these green diamonds in here. Longs are probably the only play right now. What a face ripper. First thing in the morning. I'm glad we took some profits here on Bitcoin because it looks like she wants to follow the NQ to the upside. Speaking of Vespas, you know what's funny, pro trader? I had a client that owed me money on a transaction, so they gave me a Vespa. They gave me a Vespa scooter, and I was like, you know what? Screw it. I'll take the Vespa. I'll take the Vespa. I can probably sell it on Craigslist for a couple $1,000, and I did just that. But it was a red Vespa with a red helmet, and I had to drive it from one house to the other because I think we were in the process of moving, and I felt so emasculated, I guess you would call it. Oh my god, that was the worst feeling in the world. I'm like, I hope no one that I know sees me. Meanwhile, I'm driving around this little Vespa with a red helmet on. It was driving a scooter in Miami is one thing, but driving a red Vespa with a red helmet in your home city, yeah, that's kind of suspect. I paid to see a picture of Smooth Vespa. Yeah, dude, but I sold that thing quicker than you can say suspect day trader. What's going on? It's AJ Trading. How are you? Someone's gonna do an AI image of me on a Vespa. I know they are, with a red helmet. It's gonna be funny. I did get $2,000 for it though, which is nice because that thing didn't have, like, it was like brand new, didn't have any miles on it. I couldn't wait to get rid of it. Patrick says, bro, living in Miami, damn, and I'm in cold as Europe. Yeah, I don't live in Miami, but I'm close to Miami. I'm in Naples, just as nice and just as warm. It's actually hotter than Miami. Yeah, this is a crazy open for sure. The thing's already ripped 150 points. This market is crazy. God knows where she wants to go. I do think she probably is giving us a fake out here on the open. I think she's going to want to drop. What's up, Alex Bo? We do have news at 10 o'clock. I think that might be where the market may take a U-turn. I was born in Guatemala. I moved to the United States when I was turning 4 years old. Back in '85. The good old Reagan years. That's funny because someone one day is gonna say the good old Trump years. Somebody who was just born 4 or 5 years ago. Time flies, man. Time flies. 85 seems like it was just yesterday. The good old days of Transformers and Cabbage and Garbage Pail Kids. Yeah, bring me back. You know what's funny is yesterday, every time I come to Jersey, I always do this. I went to an arcade, a retro arcade called Yestercades. Played all the old video games from back in the day. I always love going down memory lane. So that was my Thursday night. I had a blast. I'm a big kid. Pinball machines? Yeah. They had pinball machines there. I was playing pinball machines with my wife last night. We played pinball, we played pool, we played skee ball, we played air hockey, and played all the old Mortal Kombat, Street Fighters, all the old video games, all of the ones you could think of. Every old video game they have there. It's so cool. I don't know if they have anything like that in Canada, Mo, but it's really cool. They have all the old school games. Like the old Pac-Mans, the old Burger Times, old Mario, Donkey Kongs. So cool. It's, yeah, 10 a.m. we got news. We got PC at 10 today, which is weird. What's the rent like in Miami? It's out of control, man. You could pre-pandemic, you could have gotten really good deals in Miami. My wife rented a 1-bedroom condo in Miami pre-pandemic, or right when the pandemic broke out. Beautiful views, awesome for 1,800. That same condo now is probably like 3,600, 4,000. Who knows? It's retarded. I think prices are gonna come down soon though. I think Miami's cooling down a lot. I was born in ICT's lab, yeah, for sure. I can't go to Miami. Those BBLs are too much for me. Ay, ay, ay. I'm telling you, man. Any girl who's trying to make it, they're either going to Cali, they're either going to LA, or they're going to Miami. So if you're a single dude, that's probably where you want to go to get in trouble and spend all your money. But you will also most likely come back broke, bankrupt. I know a lot of guys who've moved there to have a good time, and they end up losing a lot of money there. You need to go, if you're gonna go to Miami, it's for business purposes only, because you will get in trouble. Too many ladies there, and too many scam artists too. That's like the home of the scam artists. They say it's a sunny place for shady people. Yeah, don't get too attached to anybody in Miami. Why did I choose to live in Miami? I don't live in Miami. I live 2 hours away in a city called Naples. It's like the Beverly Hills. I guess you would call it. You would call it like kind of like the Beverly Hills of South Florida. It's very, very high end, but it's also in some places very affordable too. It's got the beaches, probably the best beaches in all of Florida. The best schools, best quality of life. It was a very, very, at one point before we moved here, it was considered to be like a snowbird retirement city. But since the pandemic, a lot of young families have moved in. So the schools are very good. It's super clean, super safe. It's like heaven on earth, man. I'll be honest with you. But it is very quiet and boring sometimes. You have to drive, a couple hours to get any kind of like real like things to do. You got Orlando 3.5 hours away, Miami's 2 hours away, Tampa's 2.5 hours away, Fort Myers is like an hour away. There's a lot of things to do, but you got to drive. What's up, babe? Peruvian? Unless you don't want. Hey Sam B, what's going on? I want to move to Florida in the future, says Joey. Somewhere kind of quiet, but not too quiet. If you want somewhere quiet but not too quiet, I would say for a guy your age, Joey, I would recommend the East Coast, maybe Fort Lauderdale, somewhere around that area. How much rent for 1 BHK there, Smooth? But what's a BHK? I wish to move to Dubai next year. You think Dubai, huh? That's good, man. I used to live in Fort Lauderdale as a kid. Oh, there you go, Sam B. Sam B knows. Fort Lauderdale is a very hot market now because it's so close to Miami. You got a major airport there too. In Vero Beach, Patricia. Vero Beach is not bad. Vero Beach is like an up and coming area as well. 1-bedroom apartment. 1-bedroom apartment where? In Naples, or 1-bedroom apartment in Miami? No trades yet, guys. I'm still waiting. A 1-bedroom apartment in Naples is kind of difficult to find, but it's going to cost you probably north of $1,500. Anything decent is going to be north of $1,500. 1 bedroom. And if you want something real nice, probably north of $2,000. Let me just check in here, guys, on the stream. Make sure the stream is good. Stream is good. Stream is good. Stream is good everywhere. Okay. My stream is healthy. What's up, Manzoor? We're starting to give this move back. Maybe we got to bounce off the VWAP here. We got news in 20. So keep in mind, that's going to be big news. This news usually comes out at 8:30 a.m. I don't know why the government's been releasing this data all types of weird times of the day. You don't want to live in the city? If you don't want to live in the city, Joey, and you want to live somewhere that's remote but also close to like things to do, you'd probably want to look. A lot of the towns are going to have their outskirts. You know, it depends. Are you more into? Do you want to be able to have activities, like a lot of things to do, or you're more about privacy? Because if you're more about having things to do, then you want to look at the East Coast. If you want more privacy, more bang for your buck, then you want to check out the Gulf Coast. You got 3K on that short candle with 4 contracts. Nice, Samby. You're a beast. Check out the 15-second. Might be getting moved back up here soon. Yeah, Joe, where do you live now? Like a quiet beach house or something? You probably want to check out the Gulf Coast. Might go long here in 1 second, guys. Well, not 1 second, but I'm waiting 50 seconds here to be exact. If we get a power long here, I'm going to take the long. You're in New England? I like New England in the summer. I did a 10K in Massachusetts once. It's really nice in some of those mountainous areas. News at top of the hour? Yeah, I know. Alright, no long yet, guys. This seems to be a little bit of a bull trap here still. You might end up chopping it for the last 15 minutes before the news. This market could start dumping. Bitcoin is losing its 90,200 zone. Oh, you got a Friday quiz day today. Okay, cool, Sandy. Bitcoin's not holding too well right now. But we gotta be careful because she's flirting with that 90,200 area. $7.10 sell limit. Alright, we might get a power long here in the next minute or so. I might enter a long. Waiting for news, Joey? Okay. Alright, more than likely I'm going to take this long here in the next 10 seconds. I'm going to go long here in the next 1 second, guys. Alright, I'm long. My setup right now is right here. Stop loss is going to be right there. 925. TP will be more or less right there. It's my setup currently. Let me move this a little bit because it's not really accurate. I'm good with that. $800 TP. It wants the old liquidity from the 70 area. It says Sambi. So we're forming a rising wedge on the Tories. Got news in 12. ATRs are 20 right now. What's up, Bo Vista? Good morning. 50 stop loss today for wiggle room because it's a Friday. News in 10. Be careful, says K-Dog. Yeah. Bitcoin's dumping down to 90,000. What's up, Mel? How you doing, Melanie? Yeah, we are in dirty Jersey. What's up, Ethan? You guys are doing well. Hope you guys are doing well. My apologies to anybody that was on the mobile stream this morning and got cut off. I ended up activating the wrong stream from the wrong control panel. You lost 4K yesterday? How'd you do that? Were you trading gold, YM, and Q? News dump in the market would be optimal? Yeah, that would be nice. Bitcoin seems to be dumping, so maybe that's where the market's going to go. On a super pullback, and then it ran in my direction. I hate when that happens. You got me. Nice job, Sambi. NQ is dirty. Mel, that NQ is dirty. I know exactly when you got. I know exactly when you got taken out. It was probably on that. It was probably on that dump around 2 p.m. yesterday. Asia last night was wild. Was it really? Same Hermana had? Oh, I didn't see Hermana's. Moving my stop into profits just because we got news coming up. So at the very worst, we'll make 20 bucks. Looks like she's ripping. Ripping, 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 ripping. Nice job. Rippy alone stockings here. Rippy, rippy. Take care, Samby. I'm probably gonna hold it through the event because it is I'm already in profits. I'm already in profits. My TP is 800. Actually, I didn't even have my TP in. I think we're gonna get the initial pop off the news and then a nasty drop. I'm trailing her right now aggressively. I'm trailing her right now with my eval. Good long if anybody caught this with me. Nice long here. If anybody caught it. Guaranteed some doll hairs now. There we go, guys. There we go. We're getting closer. Locking in more profits as we go. I think 800's in the cards. I'm going to flatten her there. And I'll trail her with this one. Nice trade here, guys. Beautiful trade. Great execution if you guys were able to catch this. Great execution, guys. Thank you, it's AJ Trading. One micro for 100 bucks. Yep. Can you believe it, Alex? Yeah, testimonials in 2026 are going to be wild. Beautiful here. Hit 800, guys. Keep in mind that news limit order block is thin. That's why we get a big moves. Yeah. We could, but good job here. Oh, you switched to another account? Good job, though. Good job. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. Now we sit patiently, guys, wait for the news to come, and we look for the next opportunity. 120 bucks on one micro there. That was nice. That means we caught like 60 points on that move. That was nice. All right, let's see what she does now. I think she's going to get a nasty dump. That's just me, though. X100, there is a link down below in the description of this video that says learn how to trade. No, I'm sorry, not learn how to trade. What does it say? It says learn how to use the indicator. Let me see what it says. It says how to use indicator system in the description of this video. It's a whole playlist. And then you can learn there how to trade, like my strategy or the way that I trade. You can learn my basics basically, but then you got to put your own spin on it, however you feel is the right way to do it. Stops become market orders. Yeah. Thank you, Pecos. I really appreciate your comments here. When you going back to the oil fields, Pecos? Uh-oh, here comes the news, guys. Thank you, X100. Appreciate you. Earn me another sub. That's what's up, guys. That's what's up. We're doing good. All right, we're looking good here. We're doing good here. All right, beautiful. Everything's working. Everything's working. I can't believe it. I can't believe it's not butter. All right. You guys, I mean, I don't know if you guys are picking up on this, but we hit 800 to the T. And the reason we called that is because we did our measured move here from the power long that came in right here. We measured it to the last cluster of green diamonds, and then we did a 1-to-1 to the upside, and a 1-to-1 to the upside was right there. Crazy, right? Now the market's pulling back. Is that crazy, or is that crazy? I don't know. It just happens every day, but it's just coincidence, maybe. I don't know. It's very weird. Very strange. I don't know. It's that new 2026 algorithm that ICT speaks of. Maybe next month? Okay. You want to check out gold? Oh, no, Pecos. Absolutely not. Shut up, dude. Please don't shut up. I was just wondering if you're going back anytime soon, because we appreciate having you here. I know I do. It was a beauty. Yeah, it was pretty good. Somebody wants me to check out gold real quick. We'll do it before the news comes in. Usually I check out gold on the 5-minute. So let's check it out real quick on the 5-minute, and I'll tell you what I see. Gold right now looks bullish. We had a trap happen here at 935. Sellers trapped right here, pushing to the upside. We got more validation of longs getting strong right there. So what I would do here is I'd be looking for a power long, and then anywhere in here, and then taking it even higher. So I see gold going higher today, unless the news changes that. Absolutely not. I appreciate you saying that, though, Pecos. If you ever feel like I'm offending you, please let me know. I'm not trying to. Yeah, Pecos is the man. Alexandru Tunchi, welcome to the channel, Alexandru. I'm the Hog of Smooth channel. Oh, you're the Hogue. I'm like, Hog? A Hogue, yeah, Hogue. Old and knowledgeable, but not that profitable. That's not true, dude. That's not true. That's not true. By the way, is it weird that I'm talking to you guys without the camera on? Would you guys prefer that I have the camera on, or does it matter to you? The people on the mobile have my video on because it'd be kind of weird to not have the video on there, because the aspect ratio of the screen kind of forces me to have something there. So I figured I'd put my ugly mug on there. It's a little weird. All right, I'll put it on. We got news in 4 seconds, guys. Check it out. Check it out. News. Oh no, she's going up. She's going down. Which way is it? I don't know. All right, let's put this bad boy back on. If my stream starts lagging, then I may have to take it off. Ramon is telling me that the camera sometimes adds 10 pounds. Save the bandwidth? Okay. If it becomes an issue with the bandwidth, I'm going to take it off. I'm an AI. Brace yourselves, bros. You're funny. Yeah, if our stream starts getting laggy, then I'm going to have to take the camera off. But I'm surprised we're dual streaming right now. I didn't think that was gonna be possible, but hey, it looks like we're doing it. This is a bad indication right now with this candle that we're getting. High volume bullish, high volume bearish absorption. Could mean the market is going to continue to the downside. We'll see in just a moment. You want to see 300 points to the downside, Joey? Yeah, that makes two of us. Well, that makes two of us probably. PCE numbers are out, but it has not hit the market yet. Let's see what happens. Let's trade. Today is not May. Today is not May. Why would you think it's May? Siri, why do you keep turning on? We're not even in June. What is wrong with you? What in the world? What's today? December 5th? Crazy. Alright, we've got, not Friday. Today's Friday? Okay. Core PCE came in right on point. Premium, here we go, consumer sentiment, University of Michigan consumer sentiment came in at 53.3. It's better than expected. So no shockers here on core PCE either, so that's just going to be a nothing burger probably. Could be a flat day because the news was basically right on par with what they expected. The news was definitely on point. Analysts finally got something right. And consumer sentiment, which is probably even the more bullish indication here, is that people are feeling a little more confident right now, which is weird to say because I know that part-time jobs or second jobs has been trending as a search term on Google. Bitcoin's ripping to the upside now. We may be getting a move higher. That's what it's looking like. She's ripping to the upside. We are out of our Bitcoin short with profits. Not doing much here. Market is just kind of chilling here, hanging out. Not what I expected from that 10 a.m. news. I'm sure she's brewing something. Oh man. Anybody need to go make coffee or take a nap? Feel free. Nothing's stopping this market. Nothing is stopping this market. Bitcoin is ripping right now. Someone wake up the market? Yeah. Let's take a quick look at Bitcoin since NQ here is just grinding up. We'll look at gold too. Gold is actually taking a move down. We'll take a look at BTCC here for a sec. She ran to the upside right now, 91.4. I'm expecting her to keep going. Look at the delta here that came in. Super strong. Nvidia is also reacting kind of good off this news. Gold, I think, is taking a little bit of a backseat at the moment, but she will kind of rip back higher. I would be looking for higher on gold, but not right now. Right now she's having a pullback. Should hold somewhere in here. Let's see. Back to the NQ here. Gold just reversed from the previous month's high. Super bumpy, says Pecos. Yeah, hard to trust her right now. Strong buying just came in on BTC, but we'll see if that was just a hoax. YM's a ripper. Let's take a quick look at the YM. She was a ripper. Have a pullback right now, but she's been up all morning. ES is also looking kind of like the NQ. 6,900 on the ES. Huh. Psychological number. Nvidia, kind of hard to read at the moment, but she looks like she could go up to clear up some of these imbalances in here. Thank you. Alright, NQ, what you gonna do now? What's up, Laughter? Waka Flocka. We got that slow grind. Possibly one of those days where she just grinds up to God knows how high. I don't like the ATRs right now at 18 after big news like that. That's kind of shady. There's liquidity at 25.9. Yeah, it could. Is it gonna just grind its way up there inch by inch? Joey's gonna FOMO 5 minis for 5 points. I mean, that's the only thing you can do, right now. Talk about your short squeezes. Yeah. Yeah. It's the heat. No, not the heat of the house. It's the, I mean, the heat of the thing. The jog on my face. You don't get it? That's such a... Huh? I might in a little while, but right now I'm good. No, I mean, I might go out there in a little bit, but right now. What a grind-a-thon here. The power long. I would rather take the power long on the pullback, not on a grind-a-thon, but hey, could end up working out. I'm not taking it though. I would rather, I mean, if you guys want to take it, it's fine. It's up to you. It's not a bad trade, but on the grind-a-thon, I would say something like this. Target would be something like this. 950. 950. I'll wait for a pullback. Sam B has 875 on his eyes. Yep. This doesn't help. It's so cute. And maybe it is the thing that my mom had that I have. FRL79, welcome to the channel. Appreciate having you here. Reason we are having these plus and minus 20 point candle range movements in the past 15 minutes. Who? Huh? What about him? Them or you? They always say good things about him. And there's a random hater always, but that's how it is. Anyone else trade silver? I invest in silver. Sprott Physical Silver is my favorite ETF to buy for silver, but trading silver has not been something I've been doing much of. Gold I've taken a few. Silver I've contemplated, but I haven't. Oh no. Okay. Silver is the wild little brother, gold, like the savage little, like that black sheep of the family. She's looking pretty good though to the upside right now. Gold is, I mean, silver is looking good. I would say that on silver right now, this would be a good trade. Yeah, I would take a, I'm actually going to do it. Take a long here, experimental, because I like to experiment with different assets. Let's see, TP up here. And we'll stop loss down here. And we'll let that ride. Go back to our previously scheduled programming, yep. And Q, she's still ripping. Looks like she's gonna go, man. Not you, Siri. Why do you keep coming on? Thanks, Bill. Yeah, I'm gonna pick up some of those Lucid Flexes myself too. I'm gonna do a video on them. I'm gonna do a video on the Lucid Flex and also on the new Tradeify accounts that just came out. The Select. Yeah, the best deals right now I know of are Lucid Flex is one of the best you can get. Just keep in mind, there are payout caps to them. So don't think you're gonna take out $100,000 in your first payout. Silver outperformed gold this year. Yeah, silver is finally catching up. Silver has been a little bit of a lagging asset. Here you go. You know what else is going to outperform gold is the gold miners and the GDX. So watch those too. Is Tradeday better at taking unlimited money once funded versus Lucid Flex? No, Tradeday will cap you at $5,000 and then move you to live. That's still unlimited money because you can trade in the live markets, which there is no cap to that. But if you want to stay in sim funded forever, there's nothing better than Apex. Take Profit Trader, I'll let you go for a while too. I still got some over there. I'm full. I had too much to eat and drink this morning. Where you going? Huh? Okay. Yeah, if you don't like all the rules with Apex, Take Profit Trader doesn't really move you to live all that quickly either. I mean, there's nothing wrong with going to live. If you guys want to go to live, there's really no rules after that. So, I mean, everyone's goal should be to get moved to live. The rules kind of go away at that point. I might start building a long here if we get a power long signal. But it could be a hoax. This first power long could be a hoax. Yeah, the props choose whether we go live or not. Yeah. I might go long here, guys, to start building a little long. Start building a small position. Target's 950. This is probably going to be a long trade. Bitcoin's ripping right now. Which prop firm has the best live program? I mean, depends what you consider the best live program. What would you say is the best? What would be the best live? I mean, the smoothest transition to live? Oh, Tradeify has a really good program where they give you more accounts the better you do. I did a video on it. You can watch it on our channel. They have like an incentive. The better you do on live, the more money you can make. They're really cool with that. Tradeday moves you to live extremely quickly, and their goal is to have you in live. Lucid has a very seamless transition to live as well. No consistency on the funded or DLL and eval. Yeah, the flexes are going to be goated now. Yeah, Lucid Flex is great. I'm going to start trading some of those myself. Sambi likes 875. That's what's up, Sambi. Yeah, like I said, I'm going to have to be patient on this trade. This one could take a while to play out. The trading desk puts you on live right after your eval. Yeah, they skipped the whole trade desk. The trading desk, they skipped the whole sim part. They have basically no skin in the game, which is good for their longevity. Fans, I know you don't like Lucid Flex because of their payout limits, but just buy 5. You can get 5K, 10K each payout. That should hold anybody over. That's a good RR. It's a better RR than using your own cash and losing. Everybody, the thing with prop firms, Phoenix, is that you gotta play the give and take game, because just like TopStep, they have payout caps too, because they have similar rules. See, there's categories in prop firms. You've got categories. You can do a lot of accounts, but then they're going to give you trailing drawdown. You could do pass in one day, but then they're going to give you some consistency on the funded. Or you're going to have 3 days of trading the eval, but then you'll have no consistency on the funded. Like there's always one or the other. It's give and take. The 50K, you could take out 2K, I think, Phoenix. Then don't trade them. I mean, there's plenty of other options you can trade. Yeah, Tradeday is goated. Tradeday is really good. The thing with Tradeday too is they're only going to give you 5K out of their own money before they move you to live. There's no such thing as the perfect prop firm. If you can find him, then they'll be out of business soon. Yeah, TPT is one of the best up there. TPT is definitely in the top 3 of all prop rooms, if not even higher. If you can beat that trailing drawdown once you're funded, which there's 2 ways to do. You either trail the hell out of your trades or you trade small size. You could beat it. She's getting super choppy. Let's take a quick look at take a quick look at the MACD. Doesn't really show me anything. Looks like it wants the daily fair value gap at 900, maybe. We're getting a new 30-minute candle, says Sandy. I'm long on Bitcoin right now. I'm expecting Bitcoin to come rallying back up soon. I took a short earlier. Took profits on it, and now we're looking for longs. Might be one of those grind days, guys. Those grind days. Might add to my trade here. Let me see. Might be interested in adding to my trade here. I've added. Possibly another power long being put in here. No, you need it? Yeah, I'm full. Possibly a double power long coming in. see now. Oh, I'll see in a minute. Where?
Just go somewhere on better internet.
Maybe. Right now. I don't know what happened. Yeah, sorry guys. I'm trying my best here. I don't know what I can do to get a stream like excellent quality. I'll see in just a moment. I think we might be back. I'm sorry about that. We have to be patient here. Figure out what's going on with the internet. I may have to go short here on a my personal account. Shorts might be coming in. If the shorts do come in, I'd be looking for something like this if you guys can hear me. If the short does stay out here, it would be something like possibly a 1 or this. Target would be 770, probably 760. Nothing yet. No shorts yet, guys. Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. I don't know what I'm gonna have to go somewhere else. Possibly.